5 things I wish I knew before buying an espresso machine. Many beginners focus only on the machine, but there are other things that matter even more. So today I will share 5 things I wish I knew before buying an espresso machine. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. First, the grinder matters more than the machine. The biggest mistake beginners make is spending their entire budget on the espresso machine. But the grinder is just as important, sometimes even more important. A bread grinder creates inconsistency, which makes it almost impossible to get a good coffee. A better grinder with a cheaper machine can often make better coffee than an expensive machine with a cheap grinder. Second, espresso machines need maintenance. An espresso machine is not just a machine you turn on and forget. You need to clean the portafilter, wipe the steam wand, remove coffee oils, and regularly maintain the machine. A dirty machine doesn't just look bad, it also affects the taste of your coffee. The good news is that a simple cleaning routine only takes a few minutes. 3. Fresh beans change everything. You can have the most expensive espresso machine, but old coffee beans will still give you disappointing results. Freshly roasted beans make a huge difference. Pay attention for the roast date and try different coffees to find what you enjoy. The beans are one of the biggest parts of the final flavor. 4. Don't buy every coffee accessory. When you enter the coffee world, you will see hundreds of accessories. Some are useful, but you don't need everything. The accessories I would recommend: a good coffee scale, WDT for better distribution, a quality temper, but remember, accessories won't fix bad grind or bad coffee beans. Learn the basics first. 5. Beginners expect perfect espresso too quickly. Espresso takes practice. Many people buy a machine and expect perfect shots immediately, but you need to learn how to adjust. Grind size, dose, extraction time. The biggest mistake is changing everything at once. Change one thing, taste the results, and improve step by step. So before buying an espresso machine, remember, the grinder matters, fresh beans matter, maintenance matters, and great espresso takes practice. The best setup is not always the most expensive one. It's the one you understand and enjoy using. If you're looking for your first espresso setup, I have linked for you some of my favorite espresso machines, grinders, and tools below. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video.